In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the Hollyland LARK M2 with your PC or laptop devices. Okay, so make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and process remains same. How we have to connect? First of all, you have to open the microphone. Okay, now the next thing is that, so if you are having type C connector, you can directly connect to the type C port of your laptop or PC, but mostly some PC and system do not support type C, means the port is not present. So if you have opted for the camera connector also, you can just use the type C port over here. Now the cable is already provided by the mic team itself. While you will see, if you're not having, you can use any of the charger over here. The first end needs to be connected over here. You can see here we have the connection, so you can simply connect over here the first end like this. And if it is not blinking over here, you can simply see here a power button is there. If I just show you here, you can see the power button is there. You can just hold and press and the lights will blink over here. Now just take out any of the mic and you can see the mic is blinking. Again, if mic is not showing over here, you can just hold long press and it will be blinking over here. So you can see this is normal mode and this is active noise cancellation. Now first thing, how to connect it? So you have to just go to the port section. Okay, I am having extra port connector. If you are having directly, you can directly connect from the type C or any other port. Okay, so just insert it over here and it is connected. Now what you have to do, you have to just go to the microphone from here. Okay, go to the sound settings and more volume settings. So from here you can see multiple options are there: speakers, microphone. Input, you have to select microphone wireless over here and then it will surely work. And if you are using any streaming software like OBS, you have to go to the OBS system, wait for it to open. After that, you can see settings option is there, or if you are having a mic, you can right click and from here you can see uh, properties is there, multiple options are there. So if I just select the properties, here you can see option is there. So from here you can select the wireless microphone over here and then you can see my voice is showing over here. So like this we connected over here the mic. See, if you're directly connecting to the type C port, you're having type C to type C charger, you can apply for it. And if you're having a directly a connector of type C, you can still apply. But I face some voice lag over here, so I'll recommend go for the combo pack over here. Here you can see it is having multiple 3-level gain also. So this is the thing I wanted to share. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.